Hello, love. We're gonna have a best of 5 staring contest. Go. This will be the first time. I'm not going for 10 minutes. I can only try to do. I don't get ads anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We're not going for that. See, this just ends whenever me or you blinks 3 times. Yeah, I totally got this. Yeah. I think I have this. Yeah, you're totally gonna lose. But you'll still be the best in my heart. I think what's ironic about this is that if you are familiar with my uploads, I have a hard time looking at the... Alright, here we go. Oh, that was really bad. That was only like a minute. Alright, let's go. If you're familiar with my uploads, I have a really hard time looking at the camera. Like I just almost never look at the camera. I really try to, but I have a hard time remembering to look at the camera. So what's funny about this is me just really intensely staring at you. Is this distracting? Is this perhaps causing a problem? I certainly hope not. I want you to feel, I do want you to feel relaxed. I want you to feel comfortable, well, as comfortable as you can with having a staring contest with me. Look at him, like leaning in, like I'm in like battle position, like the like pro gamer move whenever you like lean forward, like you're like relaxing on the couch, but then like your friend just like beats you in a game of Smash Bros and start talking about how bad you are, and then you like pull this move on him. Yeah, some of you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna look back in this video and I'm gonna have blinked like way more often than I realized. You're really good at this. I was very confident at the beginning, but it looks like you're doing really well. I don't know, I might not be able to win this. I'm only 0-1. 0-2. I'm 0-2 now. Alright. Here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna moisten up my eyes a little bit. Okay, I can make the comeback. The reverse 3-0. Here we go. Alright, come on. I got this. I really think I got this. You got this too. I believe in you. But I'm also going to make the reverse 3-0. If you pull this